Good morning guys, Pitbikesonic here, and in today's vlog I'm going to do a video of what I do in my day job, and as you can see it involves bikes. We are here at Superbikewarehouse where we sell second-hand bikes, all sizes, all the way from 50s to 1000cc superbikes, and sell brand new bikes in Lexmoto and Herald. I'll go for a bit of all of them today. It's a bit of an exciting day today as well because I think we've got a H2 on delivery. We've got a Fireblade going out, so yeah, there's quite a few bits to film today. So I'm going to take you around the Superbike warehouse. Let's get into it. First of all guys, we have got to, I'm the first one here in the morning, or most of the time when I get out of bed in time. We've got to get all these bikes out, not all of them obviously, but the ones that are not for sale, they're all customers' bikes or getting repaired in the workshop. So let's start off by getting all, or some of these bikes outside. Right, so that is all the bikes out that need to go out, like workshop bikes and customers' bikes. So everything in place now, ready for the start of the day. We're not quite open yet. While we're quiet, I'll quickly walk around the bikes that you might find interesting. I'm not going to show you the boring stuff obviously, but I'll show you all the exciting stuff that we've got for sale here at the moment. So we'll start off with a superbike, shall we? And we'll start off, which personally is one of my favourites here at the moment. This is a 2011 B&W RR, S1000 RR, absolutely gorgeous. Only done 7,000 miles, and just look at all that carbon on the bike. Someone has loved that, haven't they? Even the belly, got the racing belly pan that goes all the way at the back, the Akapovic exhaust. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got another B&W S1000 RR. You've already seen me on this one in a previous video, 2018, so a bit newer, a bit higher mileage, but another awesome bike. Then we'll carry on going down to our superbike row. We've got a Gixxer 600, CBR 600R, KTM RC8, ZX10, nearly pushing 200 horsepower. That's been out on the dyno. Then we got RSV4 in this very unique yellow with another Akapovic exhaust system, and then we got this beautiful hands-free Fireblade, once again with another Akapovic exhaust system. So that is our superbike lineup at the moment. If we have a look at some other things, we've got this I personally like, which is this Kenny Roberts 60th anniversary Yamaha XSR 700, very nice, I like that a lot. So this is the Honda Fireblade that is being picked up today. Was here a bit longer because we fitted a Honda quick shifter for him, or up and down blipper. I took that out yesterday to make sure it works. Beautiful bike to ride, absolutely loved it. So he's come to pick that up today, and he's going straight to the Isle of Man. So yeah, lovely job. Right, so this is my little desk area. This is where I do all my paperwork, registering bikes, swapping ownerships, warranty, things like that. And at the moment we're now about to do some register a new Herald to its new owner, a little Brat 125, which are definitely our best sellers at the moment. We are selling so many of them at the moment we can't even keep up, but yeah, it's all good business. So going to get these filled in, and get it ready for its new owner. This bike actually isn't even here yet. It just shows how quickly we're selling them, but I'll get as much done on it as possible, so as soon as it gets there, it gets checked over and goes straight out to the new customer. Right, H2 delivery time. Let's go have a look. That's not a H2, that's an LXR. You picked up the wrong bike.
Later.
Right, so this is a few days later from when I started this work vlog, sadly. Alexa, stop! Right, so this is a few days after I started this work vlog, sadly. I got really busy the rest of that day, but it's now Sunday. We've not quite opened yet, so it's a bit quieter. And hopefully I'll get a little bit more done for you guys today. I've done a quick little video going around the shop, showing you some of the bikes we've got here. I'll start up the H2 later, which we saw come out the back of the van earlier. So it sounds awesome. I've seen the dyno sheets and it's running at about 243 horsepower. So I'll go around and show you guys that a bit better. So yeah, let's get some more footage of some nice bikes and some of the things we get up to at work today. Congratulations to Mike, who has just purchased this beautiful BMW S1000RR 2011 in this stunning BMW racing colours with all the full carbon kit on it. Looks absolutely stunning. Yeah, so he's going to be well happy with that. Hopefully it being delivered to him next weekend. So good to get another sale done today. Like I said, loads more bikes in stock, guys, so make sure to come check it out. But yeah, it's been a nice Sunday. There's been plenty of people coming in today. We'll get the H2 started in a bit. I'm just waiting for the battery to charge. I've had to put the battery pack on it today because a few people have asked to come start it up, but you can see it over there. Oh, where's my finger? There it is, over there. we'll get it started up in a bit. So it sounds absolutely awesome with that pipe on it, so we'll get it started up in a bit. Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video of where I work here at Superbike Warehouse. I'll be doing some more videos of me picking up bikes, new bikes coming in, even me test riding some bikes. So make sure to come check out Superbike Warehouse here in Great Yarmouth. Even if you haven't got any intentions of buying anything, just come in for a chat and talk all things bikes. Cheers guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit this button here. And to watch some more videos, hit this button here. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.